Affordable housing building on Van Ness.
For your health tonight, the CDC is now tracking a new COVID variant. This one's known as BN1. The strain is another offshoot of the Omicron variant. Some 4.3% of cases are now linked to BN1, according to the agency across the country. It's most prevalent here in the western part of the U.S., accounting for a little more than 6% of new cases in Arizona, California, Hawaii, and Nevada.
Stuffing, gravy, and turkey might be top of your list when shopping for Thanksgiving, but in these COVID times, a new item is being added to the list. That's COVID test kits. In fact, Contra Costa County's health department is offering the kits for free to county residents through a new mail order program. And as KRON4's Dan Kerman tells us, medical experts say testing is one of several ways to stay healthy over the holidays.
Contra Costa County is offering these free COVID test kits to residents that want some before the holidays. And in just the first 4 hours, the county has received 900 orders.
I'm glad to see that we're seeing some proactive stuff coming from public health.
Infectious disease experts say with COVID cases ticking up, having everyone planning to attend your Thanksgiving gathering test before coming adds that extra layer of protection.
The key thing with the test is, yeah, it's not a completely reliable test, and a negative test doesn't say with 100% certainty that you don't have COVID, but it says with a pretty high level of certainty that you're not infectious with COVID, and that's the question you're asking.
But testing is just one step. Another is staying home if you have any signs of illness.
If anybody has a sniffles or a little sore throat or a scratchy throat and think it's just an allergy, no. The agreement would be you just don't come if you have any symptoms that could possibly be COVID or influenza or RSV.
Doctors say gathering outdoors rather than indoors remains a better option if possible, but the best way to protect yourself is the new Omicron-specific booster.
That is probably the backstop to prevent you from getting really sick, winding up in the hospital, and tragically some people dying. So that's number one.
Doctors say recent studies indicate the new booster is better at fighting both BA.5 and the new variant BQ.1. And even though Thanksgiving is less than 2 weeks away, getting the booster now can be helpful.
You begin to see immunologic benefit from a booster really after several days, and it seems to peak or it reaches its maximum at 2 weeks. But if you get it in the next couple of days, it will have some value for you at a Thanksgiving event. So if you have the opportunity to do it and you haven't done it yet, now would be a terrific time to do it.
Dan Kerman, KRON4 News.